befriend hot women and gain pre-selection. The number one way to spark attraction is to already be pre-selected by other women. Women are your best wingmen. When a woman sees you with other women who are acting friendly towards you, she thinks, if other women like him, then he must be attractive. He must be cool, and he is not a creep. Why is pre-selection a law of attraction? Because it saves her time. She knows that if she invests time with you, you will likely be cool and not a creep. Because other women are investing time in you. And she figures those women already figured out that you're cool and not creepy. This is why it's so important to make hot female friends and to be okay just hanging out with them without getting a result out of them. If you already have the ability to do this, congratulations. If you don't, then you need to stop being a loner who only has guy friends. Now this is hard to do if you're a newbie, because as soon as a hot female gives you attention, a switch in your brain goes off and you automatically fall in love with her. See, when you're the loner, you're in scarcity of women. So when a girl gives you attention, you get a crush on her and you want to make her your girlfriend. Your brain goes into one-itis mode. And that's why you should make lots of female friends, to get used to being around these girls, and to avoid falling in love with the first girl who gives you attention. Just have fun and be cool.